Alright, got my challenge lock here, finally got it together. It's made out of a Master 410 Loto with 3D printed body, and all the pins are custom made out of brass rod by me. I spun them up on a Dremel. So it's my first challenge lock. I thought I'd have a bit of fun with it, against everybody's advice. Still works, a little bit stiff but works. So there's a bit of a process for taking it apart. I'll show you that. You just kind of push so the guts come out the back. This is one of the 3 pieces. Okay, just turn it to the side, pull that out, and then if you look down there, there is the little silver actuator, so that's just press fit in there. So if you just give it a few smacks, sorry for the loudness, the actuator and the 2 ball bearings come out. Coming out's easy, it's going back in that's a bit annoying, but it's alright. So this is free to come out at any stage now, but as you see, this is now not going to come out, so I just put it back in there, push it out, and there are the 3 bits. Okay, so I'll get this ready, I'll show you the pins. Now, last time I gutted this, I launched this clip halfway across the room, so I won't be doing that again. That was annoying to go and get to stop the video. Alright, now I also don't have a follower for it, so I'm just going to do it this way. First we have a spool, then we have like a T-pin spool. That one's interesting, I do like that one. Then we have just a little serrated, and then like a weird double spool candlestick looking thing, and then just another spool again, and the last one, another double spool candlestick. That one's a little bit sharper. So that was my last one made, so a little bit better than the rest. And I'll sit this down because I don't want to lose everything, and I'll give you a good view of all the pins. So first we have that single spool, the T-pin, serrated, the candlesticky double spool thing, single spool again, and then another double spool pin thing. Alright. Oh, knew that'd happen. Okay, well they're all fucking out there, great. Couldn't be going too smoothly now, could we? That'd be too easy. Nope. Nope. Hopefully the wide field of view is picking up everything. I know it must be infuriating to watch, but I'm sorry. I'll get better one day. Okay. This will be much easier with a follower, but the place I went to get this printed and the followers printed kind of just printed everything not very accurately, so I'll be looking to upgrade my 3D printer guy. Alright, so to get it together, what we do, a little bit annoying, there's two kind of holes down the side there and up there. What we're looking at doing is so we need to get the ball bearing in this hole, so down that way and up that way. So to hold them both together, actually I'll put this next to it, that hole, is we put the key in here just to kind of block it off, and we go up, and you kind of just like that. So it's in there. Now we put this over the top. So we've got two sides. We've got one side with no holes and another side with two holes. So don't get them mixed up like that. We want them like that. Just be sure to keep the key in so those ball bearings don't go around, otherwise it gets quite annoying. Yep, they're both still there. Alright. Now we put the shackle in. The short side of the shackle goes next to the hole. If it doesn't go all the way in, just move the key a little bit. The ball bearing's probably stuck. That's in. Now this part can be difficult. You have to take the key out without the ball bearings going anywhere. And if they do drop in, you can just get some tweezers and plop them back up in, or just start the process again. Now the actuator goes in, dimple side down, so like the little half bits up. That there is the sound of one of the bearings dropping down. I'll just use this. Seems to work better. Then we push the actuator down. So the actuator's in there. It's now just kind of holding it. Get this. Put it in the correct way, so the keyway is pointing out. And then we just find the spot. There we go. So now works. Yep. Then we just push up on the shackle again until the edges are done. So we got the little bit with the notch goes into there. Clip, clip. Then we just put him back down together. And that is together. There we go. That is my challenge lock, my first challenge lock. Called the pub because, yeah, looked like I was piss drunk while making those pins. But I'm pretty happy with it. I'll send it off soon and hope to get it in rotation. Bye.